Okay guys, today we're going to be just doing a quick video of seeing how fast this kart can really go. It's got Stage 1 mods, which you can see me install in another video. I'll link it in the description. Still governed 45.2 sprocket with 13-inch wheels. Calculated top speed of 39 miles per hour, so we'll see if it can reach that. If we reach 39 miles per hour, that's supposed to theoretically mean that there's like no wind resistance or friction anywhere, because on the BMI Karts and Supplies website, they have a speed calculator where you calculate from gear ratio, engine speed, and wheel size. You can figure out basically what your top speed is going to be. And at 3,600 RPM, it said this would be going 39 miles per hour, which, I mean, can be improved with a governor removal, but I don't really want to do that yet. Basically, that's not including wind resistance or friction, so if it is actually at 39 miles per hour, there would basically be no wind resistance with. So on that little quick run, according to my phone, it ran 39 miles per hour. I've got an app that's basically supposed to be a speedometer. It's 1 or 2 miles per hour off. Like, it'll say I'd be going 2 miles per hour when I'm literally just sitting in the driveway. But I'm pretty sure it's accurate because it was the calculated top speed. 39 miles per hour is pretty fast, especially when you're an inch off the ground. But it can be improved, and it will be improved. Eventually, I'll be putting 18-pound valve strings and a billet or aluminum flywheel on this thing and get it up to 6,000 RPM. I think at about 5,000 RPM, this thing should be doing about 50 miles per hour, which is very fast. So I think I'll also install some new brakes. Again, sorry guys for the short video. I just wanted to make one real quick. I haven't done a video in a whole month. I know, right? I haven't done a top speed run on this thing yet, so I guess I'd make a video out of it. Thanks for watching.
I'm wearing this. I'm gonna put jeans in the shirt. My new jeans in the shirt.
Yeah.
And my new shirt.
Yeah. I'll do something with my hair.
Wait, when was? You know when Chandler was found?
You already look fine.
I know. I'm just gonna do something with my hair.
You should straighten it out. Or something.
Oh, straightening takes like 6,000 hours, especially with my hair.
Oh, what do you just have to do?
There's a stupid.
There's a car.